Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook baked chicken wings. First, ensure your wings are completely dry by patting them with paper towels. This crucial step helps achieve that desirable crispy skin. Next, separate your whole wings into drumettes and flats, discarding the tips. Finally, toss them with a mixture of baking powder and salt, about 1 tablespoon of baking powder and 1/2 teaspoon of salt per pound of wings to enhance crispiness. Once your wings are prepped, it's time to add flavor. Sprinkle on your favorite seasonings like garlic powder, paprika, and black pepper, ensuring an even coating. Then, arrange the wings in a single layer on a wire rack set over a baking sheet. This setup allows air to circulate, promoting even cooking and crisping. Preheat your oven to a precise 250 degrees Fahrenheit or 120 degrees Celsius for the initial bake. Now for the baking. Start by baking the wings at 250 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. This low and slow approach renders the fat, setting the stage for ultimate crispiness. After 30 minutes, crank up your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit or 220 degrees Celsius. Continue baking for another 40 to 50 minutes, remembering to flip them halfway through, until they are beautifully golden brown and irresistibly crispy. Your perfectly baked chicken wings are almost ready. Carefully remove them from the oven and let them rest for about 5 minutes. This brief rest helps them retain their juiciness. While still hot, toss them immediately with your favorite sauce, whether it's a classic buffalo, a tangy barbecue, or a savory dry rub. Serve these delicious, crispy wings hot with your preferred dipping sauces and garnishes for an unforgettable meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.